How to know if someone is online on WhatsApp? Well, hello everybody, welcome into the channel. Let me guide you through quick and easy and how you can know if someone is online on WhatsApp. Well, to know if someone is online on WhatsApp, what you can do is you can proceed to open up WhatsApp first. Now there are certain things. If you have enabled red receipts, you'll be able to see the red receipts. You should also be able to see the status, their active status, last online status, if they have not disabled it, or if you have disabled it for yours as well, you won't be able to see others as well. Now the other thing is status. You can check for the status. If they when did they last update their status, it means that they were last online then, or they may be online now if they have turned off their active status. Now the one of the best ways to know even if they have turned off active status is if you send a text right this way, and if the tick there is double tick, it means the message has been delivered. It means they were online. If they are not online, only a single gray tick will be shown. If they were online lately and the message has been delivered to their device, it means double tick will be shown. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.